Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some beautiful raw amethyst stud earrings. First step is when you're picking from your strand to find gemstones that are somewhat symmetrical in shape. Sometimes that's the hardest part, to find matching earrings for each side when you're using raw gemstones. So this looks pretty good, but the color's a little bit off. Oh, look how pretty that one is. Let's see if I can use these two. Those look pretty good. Similar in size and color hue. So let me go with those two. Put this away. And these are light amethyst rough nugget chunks, center drilled. I love going to bead shows because then I could look at the strands and pick out the one that I want. And then I'll be happy with it, as opposed to ordering and then they pick out the strand and I don't know what I get. But so far, you know, it's worked out okay. So I've got about 10 inches of 22 gauge wire, and I'm using this Beadalon, and this is German style wire. It is half hard, so it's gonna hold its shape. I've got my wire, and I'm gonna straighten it out. Put my wire through my gemstone. Put the ends together. Center your gemstone and pinch your wire together. Then you have to determine which side will be the front and which side will be the back. I like this one for the front, so I'm going to go with this. So I've got my two wires, one coming out of the front, one coming out of the back. I'm going to take the front one and bring it down the back. Come over the top and bring it down the back, like that. And with this wire that's coming out of the back, I'm going to bring it over the top and come down the front, like that. And I'm going to make it a little bit close to this one that I already pushed to the back, like that. Then with the one I just brought down the front, I'm going to bring it, continue it on to the back and come up the back like that, and then stop right here. Okay, now we're going to continue with this wire that's down in the back, and we're going to come up the front like that. I'm going to bring it down the top and come down the back. So I should have 3 wires in the back and 3 wires in the front. So now to secure the base, I'm going to use my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to bring it up in the middle, bring it up in the middle. So I've got my 2 outside wires going straight up, and my middle wire is flat against my stone. Pinch it together. Now I'm going to take one of the wires, it doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to wire wrap around the other wire. I can come around 3 times. Then I'm going to cut it off at the back. Pinch it down. Make sure that's flat. That little burr is flat because I don't want it to scrape my skin. So that's what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like so far. I'm going to give it a good 1.5 centimeters of wire in there and then cut it off. Using my file, I've got to file the end, so I don't want any pokey fragments in my ear. I don't want it sharp. I don't want to cut my ear. So I'm going to file, make sure it's rounded. Hang on to it tight so your post doesn't bend. Okay, then you can come in with your tissue and wipe off any fragments that came off. And there you've got your completed raw amethyst studs. So pretty. Let's put the backing on. These little plastic backings you can find on Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive and they do the trick. If this video was helpful for you and you will give these a try. They are so lovely on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.